What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Roy's Customs. Today I'm going to be changing out this supercharger on this 2000 Prix Gtp. So here we go. Okay, so we're going to start by taking this loose here so we can get it taken off the air box. And we're going to start disconnecting the wire harness, all the little plugs and stuff, because all these will have to come out. I'm not taking this off, I'm just getting the wire harness off of here. Alright, so I'll just put that back on there for right now. Alright, also we need to purge the fuel. So down here on your fuel rail is the purge valve. So go ahead and get that purged out, tighten it back up, cap back on it. Need the 13 millimeter for up here. Out of there. There's a flat screwdriver here. Pop these clips. We may not have to take those all the way out because we may be able to slide that out of there. And then we're going to go ahead and unhook. That was no good. So I'll have to look for a piece of vacuum line. So that'll have to be replaced. I'm pretty sure I got something I can use. So we will get to that. And the big vacuum line needs to come off. Alright. Okay. Okay, fuel rail is disconnected. We'll get the supercharger belt off. The tensioner pulley is just like right down there. It's 15 millimeter, so the bolt off. It's a standalone belt. So there's technically two belts on this thing, one for the main serpentine and then the secondary runs the supercharger. So anyway, 2. It's an actual bolt. And then that one is a nut. Alrighty, now, like I say, there's 2 on the front, 3 on the back of the fuel rail in order to have to take off. Gently pull with a little pry bar to pop the injectors out. It shouldn't be in there by a whole bunch of force. Now there's just 3 bolts down here that hold this throttle body on. Yeah, you can get a 1/4 inch drive ratchet in there. So, with an extension. And this is why I have finger ratchets, because sometimes they're not very cooperative, so they take a little more to get out. That whole stud came out, so alrighty. Okay, that's on this bracket here, so the EGR bracket needs to come off. Okay. No big deal. Yeah, that one was in there. These are 10 millimeter for the, so we'll take them off like in a spiral, outwards or inwards. This one here is directly underneath the fuel rail bracket, so you'll have to kind of finagle it a little bit and wiggle it out of your way. We'll just go ahead and do these this way. And these don't have a lot of torque to them. I believe they're 17 foot-pounds. I'm pretty certain. Nope, don't forget that one. That one's right up there. Okay, so right, there's one up here too. And it's pretty long, so we'll put him over there. All right, she's loose as a goose. Okay, so now that we finally got all the bolts out of it, we're going to try to pull this thing out of here. Okay, just a little scraper, and I'm just going to get the old gasket off of there. And so now we're going to put the new one back in. Well, it's not a new one. Okay. Now it's just time to put it back together. Alright, well, okay, I know it wasn't like the most, comprehensive and complete video ever, but I hope it does help somebody along the line, and it was something for me to do. So, anyways, with all that said, I sure appreciate you guys and gals watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, hit the notifications if you wish, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.